Okay, welcome once again. In this video I want to show you how to use free AI Den. It's a website where you can edit so many things, where you can humanize a AI chat, where you can create so many things for free in that website. Everything is free. You just need to click. It is not even a must you log into the website or you subscribe. Everything is free of charge, and what you are supposed to do is just know what you are doing, and you go to the correct tab to do what you want to do according to what you want to do. So what you're going to do, you just come here and you just come to your browser, and you just type free AI den.com. So after coming here, you just click enter, then it's going to search, and you wait for it to search. So just wait for it to search for the website. So this is the website. This is how the website look like. There are so many things in this website, and everything is for free. There is nothing like logging in, subscription. Everything is for free. What you do, you just go to the website, you start the website, then everything inside the website is free. I think you can see there is a logo of a brain, a free AI den there. Everything is here. Web tools, everything is there. All watermarks. If you want to remove watermarks, you just come there. Receipt or everything. PDF tool. There is so many PDF tools there. Let's close this one. Let's close this ad. So that one is AI tool. Yeah. So that one is PDF tool. If you want to manage any PDF tool, you just come here, you drag your PDF there, then you can edit your PDF. So there are things for students. You can come there. Here is the place where you can humanize any AI tool. Like when you have a chat from ChatGPT and you want to put it to a human tool, you just come there and humanize it. Then there are human health tools. Here, these are things that are dealing with health. So if you want to know anything dealing with health, just come there. Periods, how you can control your period for ladies, evaluation, things like that, fertility, things like that. Then image tool, if you want to create image, PNG or to JPEG. If you want to convert your image for PNG to JPEG, you can come there. Manage PDF, things like that. Convert PDF to JPEG. Here you can change your image. There are so many things you can do in this website. Let me show you some examples. Let's go back. I want to show you how those structures look like. Yeah, so this is how the website look like. So after showing you the tabs up there, let's go through it. So here there are so many things. PDF, I hope you can see everything. So here you can search for power tools. These ones are power tools. Humanize now. These ones are the tool which you can use to humanize your AI chat. Remove polygram. Those are the many things. Generate now, to generate a receipt like those receipts you always receive from supermarket, things like that. You can generate your own, a fake one from this chat. Like when you have some things like from Kilimall, from Amazon, so anything, provided you have the logo from the supermarket or any other thing, you can come there and generate your receipt. Then invoices generator, you can generate invoice from there for free. Everything for free. If you want to create a QR code, you can come there. Banner code, you can create so many things. Banner code generator, you can generate so many things. QR code generate reader, you can read your QR code from that side. It's just you are scanning it from this website for free. So many things are there. Certificate generator, you can generate a certificate from this website. Image to text, you can change an image. You have an image to a text. WordPress theme detector. This one is where you can, those websites like a website or WordPress, where you can create your website. After creating your website, you come here and detect the theme. IP location checker, this one is for checking IP. There are so many things you can create. You can look in this website. Online PDF tools, anything dealing with PDF. If you want to change a PDF, edit a PDF, turn a Word document into a PDF, you come to this place here. So this one is just dealing with PDF. Let's see, there's so many things in this website. Create a professional CV, anything you can do in this website. So this is how the website look like. So this one is an image format converter. You can convert image into a text, you can convert a text into an image, convert an image into a JPEG image. Everything is for free. JPEG to SVG generator. This one is, you can convert everything. Anything you want to do in this world, you can do for free using this AI tool here, known as free AI generator. So that's how the websites look like. The thing is, there is no subscription, there is no payment, there is no logging in, they don't want anything dealing with your details. What they want is your brain and knowing what you want to do in this site. When you have everything, you are good to go. Just come, you search free AI, and then you do anything you want to do for free. Thank you so much. After watching the video, please kindly subscribe and like and comment. Thank you so much for watching.